How to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can buy Spotify Premium on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you are using the Spotify application and then you have been thinking about how you can upgrade to Premium, but you don't see the Premium tab over here, why is this happening? This is happening because iPhones does not support to get the Premium from the app because it doesn't support in-app payment and in-app browsing. So to buy Premium on iPhone, instead what we have to do is we have to open up our Safari browser and go to spotify.com, and then you just want to log in to the free account that you have on your Spotify. Now once you've done that, whenever you log in, you might see a pop-up over here which says get premium. Just in case you don't see that, you can tap this little gear icon that you can find here and then just go to this tab known as premium. As you tap on premium tab, you will be able to simply select a plan. Otherwise you can just select get started if you're happy with the current plan. After you've done that, now you can simply enter your PayPal address, or you can also simply choose to enter your credit or debit card details. Once you've done that, you can just hit the buy now option and you'd have successfully subscribed or bought Spotify Premium. If it doesn't load up from the application, just try to log out once and try to log in back again, and that should definitely help you solve the problem. This way you will be able to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.